initially for the cake what tools you will need. First we require any silicone spatula. Okay, if you would be having or if not, then you will require one silicone spatula. Second, you will require this we call offset spatula or offset knife. This is very important while we are working on the cake, we are doing the frosting on the cake, you will require this offset spatula. The size of the spatula is 4 inch. This is 4 inch. It has a little angular spatula, so from the handle is little bit up. Okay, so easy to work. And this comes in a two different patterns. One is little angular, one comes very straight. Okay, so you can buy any one of this. Then you will require any of the whisk. And if you are going to buy the whisk, try to buy at least this size, not the smaller size. Okay, buy the bigger size because when we are mixing the batter, without giving more and more movement in our batter, we can do it in a less time and less movement. So we cannot do the over mixing. Okay, so this kind of a whisk you will need. Okay, then I will show you some nozels also. You can take the picture also. The basic nozels only I am showing you initially. Later on, once when you will start baking, then you can buy more and more. I'm not purchased everything just before.
Yes, I was very crazy in the to something.
Okay. So when you are buying the nozels, I will give you one suggestion: don't buy the pack. The comes whole set, no? This is a useless.
Okay.
Okay. There will be only 2 or 3 designs and different sizes will be there. No much difference. So my suggestion will be just take the separate, and few only will be more than enough. Okay, I will show you just 4 to 5, more than enough for you in initial time. Okay, this one is 1 m. It's written also here. You can see 1 m. Okay, 1 m. This is the most popular nozzle which we use in the designing. Okay, 1 m. Second comes your leaf nozzle. This is a leaf nozzle. Okay, it comes in a small size also, so you can buy the smaller size also. When you are doing the small cake, for a small cake you will require a smaller nozzle. Okay, the number of this nozzle is 112. This is 112 leaf nozzle. Okay, and this is 1 m. And note down, this is a bigger size. Okay, you need a medium size. It will give you very big leaves. Actually, this size. Okay, write it down. Medium size you will need. Okay, this is the second one. Then you will require R11. This nozzle we use to make the rose. Okay, rose patterns. Okay, this is R11. This particular number shows you the particular nozzle only. If you will say the number I need R11, he will give you this nozzle only. Okay, this is their identity. R11 is this particular nozzle.
In this also medium size we have to take?
Yes, medium size also comes. Here we have, so medium size is Noor 11. This is the medium size, small size, not the medium, this is small size. This is R11, this is Noor 11.
Noor.
This is R11 is the big size, okay, and this Noor 11 is a small size. Okay, so these are the 2 sizes. Then there is no number. It's just a round nozzle. Okay, you can buy round nozzle. There is no number on this.
This is for what? Piping.
Piping only, piping designing only. Okay. I'm just showing you the basic nozzles only. Later on you can invest in a designer nozzle. Then, if you will see, this is a bigger nozzle in a 1 m. So you need to buy a small nozzle also. Again, there is no number. There is no number. So a small closed star you can buy. A small star nozzle. Okay, this is a small star nozzle. This star nozzle you will use for a half kg cake or smaller designs. It will give you a smaller piping. Okay, so this, see, this is a smaller, this is a bigger. Okay, so both you will need. So these are two. Okay, so these are the basic nozzle. Now instead of these, I will give you show you some fancy nozzle also. The number is FDC6.
What?
FDC6. This is the number. So this number also used to make some frosting only. See, these two nozzles now you can use for the same designing. Only the different design you will get it. Okay, if you will see, this is little more open side. This is more closer. Okay, to make the borders, to make the flower, the roses, you can use both. Okay, the function is same. For all these three, the function is same. For all these two, function is same. This is different. This is leaf nozzle. Okay. This is the group of the nozzle. Function is same. Function is same. In the closed star, we get many different shapes. This is, if you will see, this is a different. If you will see this is different. But almost same. You will get it. Okay. So these are the ones. Then I have this also. This we generally use to make the basket wheel. Okay, when you are making a basket wheel design, for this you will use. So it comes in a two shape. One is this one, teeth one, and second on the top will be flat. So if you want to make a flat, you will keep like this. If you want to make the basket wheel, you will keep it like this. Okay, if you want to move down the number, you can note it 895.